Hi everybody! I want you to meet my new friend Digby. Today I'm on location at a friend's house and I'm going to take some pictures of their dog Digby. Digby's fantastic. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come with me. I'm going to teach you a little bit about settings, you know, some lenses, that kind of thing, but more just watch and have fun and just see what we do. All right, let's go have some fun. Have Digby come over by you.
Digby, come here, buddy.
Okay.
Okay,
good.
Boy.
Okay.
Good boy.
Just sit like that for a second.
Yeah. He's a good boy.
Liz?
Yep.
I want you to kind of crouch down and come over by me just a little bit.
Good stay.
Good. There you go. There you go. Perfect. It's a good time to take a break. Yeah. We have a squirrel, so I'm gonna take a break for a second. But that gives me a chance to change the lens here, so. Okay. So I was shooting with the 24 to 105 for that, and I'm gonna switch over to the 70 to 200. This is a squirrel call that I use. That. Sometimes it works. Makes them think that there's a squirrel. And Digby reacted to it. But then, now not so much. He just wants to, he thinks that that squirrel's still over there. So, just trying to get his attention. I'm shooting in the middle of the day. It's about 11 o'clock. The sun is straight over us. I'm shooting at 1/1600ths, so it's really fast shutter speed, but I'm also shooting at f2.8 on my 70 to 200 lens because I want to get that nice blurry background. So if I'm going to be that wide open, I've got to shoot really fast. And of course my ISO is at 100. I don't need ISO outside. Pretty much direct sunlight. That was hilarious. Squirrel's like, oh, now's my chance.